Good afternoon, this is Zach at Auto Assets. Here with me today is a 2009 Porsche 911 Carrera 4S Cabriolet. This is finished in ruby red metallic. Black convertible soft top. Active rear spoiler. I'll walk you around the car and show you anything that stands out to me. You'll notice up front here on the bumper, it's got some road rash. You'll see some spots here. And a few there on the hood. This would make for a really good driver car. And up front here, this is the driver front wheel, really good shape. No major curb rash, anything like that around the edges. Center caps are in good shape. See the guards red powder coated calipers there. These are the 19-inch Carrera S2 wheels. Back here to the driver rear, same as the front, really good shape. No curb rash, no scratches, no major nicks out of the wheels. Really good condition. Body's in really good shape. Paint looks excellent. These rear quarter fender or quarter panel guards look really nice. They're not all yellowing and torn up from debris. Taillights are in good shape, no cracking, no fog, no water intrusion. And back here to the passenger rear wheel, really good shape like the others. This one has a small spot there on the top. Actually, forgive me, that wheel's perfect as well. No problems there. A little bit of residue on the wheels after the detail. Convertible top's in great shape. I don't see any tears or major marks or rips in it at all. And finally up here to the passenger front wheel, just like the others, really good shape. This one does have a little bit of curb rash there on the very bottom. Very, very minor. Taking the interior, got a sand beige leather, full leather interior. It's got a nice amount of options on it. You've got the Bose premium audio package here. You got your memory driver front seat. Power driver seat with lumbar. Nice shape. Headliner's in good shape, no rips or tears, not sagging anywhere. You'll notice some of the wear here up on the emergency brake handle and the center console, just from a little bit of age. Again, on the shifter, you've got a 7-speed automatic PDK transmission, and then you do have the updated PCM navigation module. So you've also got Bluetooth and XM radio that's included with that, and the universal audio interface. These front seats are multi-stage heated front seats. You do have the Porsche active suspension management and the Sport Chrono package that gives you the Sport and Sport Plus there. Got your 3-spoke leather steering wheel and your controls there for the up-down shift for the PDK transmission. And you'll notice on your instrument cluster down there on the left, 83,988 is the current mileage on the vehicle. All right, folks, if you have any questions about this vehicle, feel free to give us a call anytime, 614-793-1050.